Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to make one of my favorite cakes, a soft, moist, delicious carrot cake. This recipe is very easy to follow, even you are making carrot cake for first time. The cake is fully fresh carrot, crunchy walnuts, and warm spices. Is perfect for breakfast, tea time, or any special occasion. So let's get started. Okay, before we begin, let's prepare all the ingredients that we need for these recipes. 250 grams of cake flour, 180 grams of white sugar, 120 grams of brown sugar, 5 pieces egg, 220 grams of vegetable oil, 350 grams of freshly grated carrot, 120 grams of toasted walnut, 8 grams of cinnamon powder, 2 grams of ground ginger powder, 1 grams of nutmeg powder, 8 grams of baking powder, 5 grams of baking soda, 5 grams of salt, and finally 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract. Before I start making cake, I would like to prepare all the ingredients that I required. All the grams and the measurement I mentioned in the description below. You can have a look on that. In the mixing bowl, add the butter and white sugar and the brown sugar. When the butter and sugar mix well, we will add the eggs one by one at a time. When the butter, sugar and egg mix are done, we will going to add flour. Before adding the flour into the mixer, you should mix all the spices, baking soda, baking powder and the salt into the flour. Then you add into the mixer. Add all the dry ingredients in the mixer. Combine well. There is no dry flour left. Then add the sour cream onto the mixer. When you're making the cake, try to scrape it out all the ingredients that stick in the bowl. Then it will help to combine all the ingredients together. Then we will add the grated carrot onto the mixer, one at a time, and mix it well. Then add the roasted chopped walnut onto the mixer and mix together. Once it's done, I will add the one vanilla bean into the mixer. Then finally I will add some orange zest onto the mixer. Once it's done, all the ingredients mixed together, our cake is ready. Finally we will start to pipe the cake mold. I will use this small tin, cake tin for me. Even you can use cake mold, round shape or square, whatever is available in your kitchen. piping, our cake is ready to bake. I will pipe on the thin layer of butter on the middle of the cake, and I will add some roasted walnut on top. After that, I will bake at 170 degree around 25 to 30 minutes, because this is very small cake. It depends on your cake size. Normally one cake loaf will take 45 minutes to 50 minutes to proper baking. Once it's baked directly from the oven, we will add some sugar syrup onto the cake. It helps to keep moist when we are storing in the freezer or chiller. Once the cake is baked, let it cool down for 10 to 15 minutes. Then carefully transfer into the cooling rack. Allow the cake to cool down completely before slicing. This helps cakes to set properly and give you clean slice. Look at this beautiful carrot cake. A soft, moist, fully fresh carrot, walnut and wonderful crunch. If you like, you can enjoy it just as it is, just with the little icing sugar, or serve with the cream cheese frosting. I hope you enjoy making this recipe as much as I do. If you like this video, please don't forget to like, subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss my next baking recipes. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Happy baking!